Welcome to The Art of Visual Emotion, Mastering Color Grading. This video explores how to use color to evoke specific emotions and tell a compelling visual story. It's important to distinguish between filters and color grading. Filters apply a universal mathematical overlay, while grading alters light to communicate specific moods, telling a deeper story. Professionals use a two-step process. Correction fixes technical errors like exposure and white balance. Grading adds creative emotion by establishing the look, emphasizing colors, and building atmosphere. Colors trigger psychological reactions. Evolution programs human responses to light. Storytellers use these triggers to bypass logic, connecting colors like blue to melancholy or orange to energy. Warm tones create comfort and energy. Golden hues suggest nostalgia, romance, and safety. However, extreme warmth can also communicate heat or anger. Conversely, cool tones create isolation and calm. Blue hues often emphasize sadness, loneliness, or distance. Sterile cyans are used to build high-tech or clinical environments. Different genres rely on distinct color narratives and palettes to achieve specific emotional goals. Examples include desaturated blues for sci-fi or the high contrast of teal and orange for action. Hollywood often uses teal and orange. Skin tones naturally fall into the orange spectrum, and teal backgrounds create a vibrant visual contrast because they are complementary colors. Professionals rely on data over simply trusting their eyes. Waveforms measure image brightness, while vectorscopes monitor saturation and ensure accurate skin tones. Color temperature is measured on the Kelvin scale, ranging from warm tungsten light to cool daylight. Creators can intentionally misset white balance to dictate a specific mood. Step 1 in color grading is to analyze the script. The story dictates color choices, so you must match character emotions to appropriate color temperatures and moods. Step 2 is applying the rule of 2. Complex palettes can confuse the viewer, so simplifying your color scheme usually creates a more powerful and intentional visual statement. Step 3 is grading for context. Color remains relative to previous scenes. A stark contrast, like a sudden shift from warm to cool, signals a narrative or emotional change. Color choices carry an ethical responsibility. Avoid using filters that reinforce external biases or stereotypes. Instead, enhance the internal truth and emotional landscape of the story you are telling. Make it mean something. Every color choice is a narrative choice. Paint with light to guide the viewer's emotions and reinforce the heart of your story.